Echoes on the seventh floor drift away. You lean back, I lean in. Time stretches, paper thin. Are we falling, are we free? Or just shadows in delay, a memory? Echoes on the seventh floor, far away. Every little breath just bends and stays. Say my name and watch it fade. Replay, echoes on the seventh floor, drift away. Plastic fruit on the dashboard, sunburn map on my knees, ashtray full of old summers. You keep talking in threes. Snow road, yellow horizon, your hair like tangled vines. We trade names with the windstorm. Lose track of all the signs. Hologram orchard, biting into light. Sweet fake nectar, running down my mind. If it's not real, why does it taste this bright? Hologram orchard, motel pool, green water, buzzing ice in the glass. Your laugh bends through the ceiling, takes the shape of the past. Low bug stuck in the curtain, static snow on the floor. You press pause on my heartbeat, then you hit it once more. Hologram orchard, biting into light. Sweet fake nectar, running down my mind. If it's illusion, why does it bruise just right? Hologram orchard, feed me one more bite. One more. Peel back, layer after layer. Velvet, then vapor. Nothing, then flavor. Are we here or just reflected? If this is fake love, why do we feel a thing? Hologram orchard, biting into light. Sweet fake nectar, running down my melted ice in the glass. Ceiling fan turning slow. Thoughts move half that fast. Curtains breathe in and out, like the room got lungs. I can hear my doubts speaking in an unknown tongue. Echoes in slow motion, drifting through my mind. Every little worry dissolving over time. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll till the day feels kind. Echoes in slow motion, wash me out. Rewind, oh yeah. Clock on the wall, blinking but it won't speak. Messages on my phone, haven't touched them all week. Smoke rings overlap, make halos over your head. You laugh like you're awake in a world where I'm still in bed. Echoes in slow motion, drifting through my mind. Every little worry dissolving over time. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll till the day feels kind. Echoes in slow motion, wash me out. Rewind, hey. Breathe in once, let the pressure fall. Breathe out twice, I don't need it all. Name one thing you can really hold and watch it fade into silver and gold. Echoes in slow motion, drifting through my mind. Every little worry dissolving over time. Let it roll, leave the past behind. Oh, echoes in slow motion, wash me out. Rewind, yeah. Red glow on the router light. Screen's on but I'm half asleep. Insects on the hardwood, thoughts drift slow in the blue deep. Late clicks on a silver trackpad, tabs open like parallel lives. Tea stain on a one-page notebook, heart syncs up with the hard drive. Echoes in the cool dust, soft glow on your old text. I breathe in the data rush, let it fade, let it stretch. We're floating in a loose hush, between the pings and the sunset. Echoes in the cool dust, echoes in the cool dust. till it runs past. You laugh through a cheap webcam, glitch frame froze on your smile. Now your ghost in the status window takes my hand for a lazy mile. Echoes in the cool dust, soft glow on your old text. I breathe in the data rush, let it fade, let it stretch. We're floating in a loose hush between the pings and the sunset. Echoes in the cool dust, echoes in the cool dust.
Starlight on the router, wires tangled like vines. Midnight cursor blinking slowly, lost between the lines. Pixelated constellations on a half-charged screen. I press my ear against the silence till it starts to sing. In this cosmic echo garden, every hiss becomes a hymn. Every crackle, every
Screens glow, but the room feels ancient. Slow cold, drip into my patience. Sip tea, watch the cursor breathe in. Soft hum, and my pulse still easing. I'm a spark in a warm machine, fading out where the landscape clean. Let the data drift through me. Let the data drift through me. Oh, I'm a ghost in a gentle stream, half asleep in a waking dream. Let the static fall from me. Let the static fall from me. Blue shard of the morning finding my face in the glass rewinding. Clouds move on the floor in patterns, each thought like a slow ring Saturn. I'm a spark in a warm machine, fading out where the landscape clean. Let the data drift through me. Yeah, let the data drift through me. Yeah. I'm a ghost in a gentle stream, half asleep in a waking dream. Let the static fall from me. Let the static fall from me. Breathing every tiny error. Breathe out every quiet terror. I'm light slipping through the seams, just like learning how to dream. I'm a spark in a warm machine, fading out where the lines get clean. Let the data drift through me. Let the data drift through me. I'm a ghost in a gentle stream, half asleep in a waking dream. Let the static fall from me. Let the static fall from me. Fall from me.
starlight on the router. Wires tangle like vines. Midnight cursor blinking slowly, lost between the lines. Pixelated constellations on a half-charged screen. I press my ear against the silence till it starts to sing. In this cosmic echo garden, every hiss becomes a hymn. Every crackle, every pardon, let the chaos settle in. I'm just drifting in the feedback, let the galaxies collide. In this cosmic echo garden, I dissolve into the sky. Yeah. Static like soft rain on a far-off sea. I am a small wave, rising, falling, free. In this cosmic echo garden, every hiss becomes a hymn. Every crackle, every
Echoes in slow motion, drifting through my mind. Every little worry dissolving over time. Let it roll, leave the past behind. Echoes in slow motion, wash me out. Rewind. Red LED blinking in the dark tent. Tiny screen glow on your calm face. Breath slow, steam in the cool air. You say, let go, like a short prayer. Nebulous escape, we drift and we sway. Thoughts fall off like rust, like paint. You lean back and your laugh decays. Nebulous escape, we don't need names, just that light in your eyes. Then it fades, then it fades. Oh yeah. Ash on my sleeve from a half word spoken. Your thumb on the glass makes a soft ring open. You trace one star on my bare arm, humming. Whole night bends like it's still becoming. Nebulous escape, we drift and we sway. Thoughts fall off like rust, like paint. You lean back and your laugh decays. Nebulous escape, we don't need names, just that light in your eyes. Then it fades, then it fades. Slow spin on a thread so thin. You say, stay, and the room caves in. Every echo keeps your shape. Every echo keeps your name. Nebulous escape, we drift and we sway. Thoughts fall off like rust, like paint. You lean back and your laugh decays. Nebulous escape, we don't need names, just that light in your eyes. Then it fades, then it fades. Oh yeah.
in the ceiling. Clock face turned to the wall. Incense curl like a question. No rush, we answer it all. Head lean back on the sofa. So far gone, yeah, we feel clear. Your name loops in the ether. Soft voice right inside my ear. Inside my ear. We keep floating on the feedback tide. Slow motion in a wide blue mind. Every echo be your hand in mine. Drifting through the wires of time. We keep floating on the feedback tide. Eyes half open, hearts untied. Every echo be your hand in mine. Riding on the long delay line. Say it once, hear it 20 times. Little prayer stretched across the sky. If we fade, we just fade in light. Soft and slow tonight. We keep floating on the feedback tide. Slow motion in a wide blue mind. Every echo be your hand in mine. Drifting through the wires of time. We keep floating on the feedback tide. Eyes half open, hearts untied. Every echo be your hand in mine. Riding on the long delay line. Slow breath in, curtains barely move, dust dance in the dim. Morning takes its time. Mark on the table, steam drawing ghosts. I watch them wander, then fade back home. In the tides, rolling quiet through my bones. Rise and slide when nobody has to know. I close my eyes, let the small waves come and go. In the tides, teaching me to take it slow. Slow, 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 slow. So slow. Thoughts drift wide like clouds that lost their name. Old worries loosen from the frame. Window light flickers on the cracks in the wall.